What's up, guys? New day, new video. So we have the Arctic Glider Co trainer, and yeah, I really love how this one sounds. All clinky. And the colors on it are amazing too. Ooh. But anyway, not only do I do daily videos, but you guys have daily live streams to look forward to now, because I will be doing that. And if anyone's curious as to when, I say around Eastern Standard, or Eastern Time around 9 p.m. Central Time 8 p.m. Western Time 7 p.m. So that's around the time I'll do it, and you guys will see a premiere beforehand of when it will start, just in case it's not that time, or in general you're gonna see a premiere ahead of time before it starts. But anyway, yeah.